Hi and hello, I am Athena Pontian here. Welcome to the one day one equipment video. Today we are going to see the next dental equipment called a dental sintering furnace. So what is dental sintering furnace and what is the purpose of this particular dental sintering furnace? All the things we are going to discuss today. Come, let me start. Dental sintering furnace. Of course, sintering, the normal English word sinter is nothing but a combination of the material. Okay, so we are going to combining the material with the help of the temperature and the pressure. Most importantly, we are not supposed to make it in the liquidification. We are make that particular material into a solid state, okay, with the help of temperature and the pressure. The most important material used in this particular sintering furnace is zirconia. Actually, zirconia is a biomaterials. In particularly, it is a ceramic materials used in some of the dental process of the dental department. Okay, so that particular zirconia can able to convert it into the solid form by the way of increasing the temperature and the pressure. That process can be done by using this particular dental sintering furnace. You just go and look how this particular dental sintering furnaces look and come back. That pictures and the descriptions can explain you clearly about what is sintering furnace actually. So this particular sintering furnace is manufactured by so many manufacturers. Who are all the leading manufacturers and what is the cost of that particular sintering furnace? Come and see. So that's all about the small description about this dental sintering furnace. Next video we are going to see the next dental equipment tomorrow. Thank you very much.